Welcome to McKinney Sounds YouTube channel. This is the unboxing of the Ampeg Portaflex PF 500 head. Let's open it up. What you're gonna need is one of the biggest knives that you can find, because this is a big deal. Now I'm just playing. You just need a knife just to cut the tape. Let's cut the tape. Oops, I missed. So this is a box inside of a box. What you're gonna need is a big knife, because it's a big deal. Now I'm just playing. You just need to cut the tape. Just cut the tape. We'll make it a little bit interesting. First impression, you see something that you have to read, which is the manual. Well, of course, you can get the PDF offline. So. At the bottom is the power cord. This is not power cord, so no big deal. This is it. Let's get her out. This is it in the flesh. Let's take it out of the bag. Your Ampeg PF 500. It's 500 watt head. Let's go through it. Okay, you got a pad on here where it's negative 15 dB. Got your mute, got your compression, got your gain, ultra high, ultra low, your EQs, your frequency, your treble, your FX mix, and your volume. Of course, you got your audio in. If you want to plug up an aux cord to it and practice with your music, and you can plug up your headphones on the front. Let's go around the back. Boy. Okay. Let's start with your power. Always keep in mind, quick tip, that your power button always gonna be where you plug in the power. So if you ever reaching back and you can't see it, or any other gear, the power button always gonna be next to the plug. This is set on 115. This your fan. This your speaker output. Quarter inch or speaker on. That's your FX switch. Your foot switch, I'm sorry. It's your power in, power out. Your power out.